Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to play YouTube in background. So we're not actually going to use the application. Instead, we are going to open our web browser or your Safari and then type out youtube.com. Okay? And then right after that, you will then just have to select the music or the podcast or the video that you want to play in the background. So I'm going to search for my favorite artist. I'm going to play this music video, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. And then click on the desktop site. Enable this one. Okay. So now zoom the video and then click on the mini play. So this one. So right after clicking on that, you can now see the YouTube is playing on the background. So you can exit this web browser. So the video that is playing in the background will temporarily pause. So you'll then just have to click on the play option. Then right after that, you can see that the YouTube music or video is playing in the background. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.